everyone, my name is Yunishara. You can call me Ara, and I am student at PSI University. Nomor ID 632513667. I want to speak on smoking in campus environment. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow students and estimated faculty. Today, I want to talk about something that's affects user. Hi, campus should be a place to gain knowledge, not a place to accumulate smoking. I personally feel that smoking on campus is inappropriate. Many of my friends who don't smoking. It's not just a matter of habit, but also a matter of respect for others. Imagine we arrive at class early in the morning, and the smell of cigarette smoke is everywhere. Before we even start studying, our heads are already spinning. I'm not saying smoking is wrong, but it has to be in the right place. Campus needs to be smoke-free for clean air, health, and everyone's comfort. If you want to be cool, it's not about smoking, but about a living. So, let's all work together to keep our campus smoke-free. Let our minds be smoke-free because of studying, not because of smoking. The question word. What are question words? Question words are words we use to ask information. They help us get answers about people, place, things, time, and reasons. Question words are special words that we use when we want to ask for specific information. For example, when we want to know who did something, where it happened, or why it happened. The list of question words: who, what, when, where, why, which, how. There are 7 main question words in English. They are who, what, when, where, why, which, how. Let's see what each of them means. Who asks about a person. Example, who is your best friend? We use who to ask about people. For example, who is your teacher, or who called you yesterday? What asks about things or objects. Example, what is your favorite food? We use what when we want to ask about a thing, an idea, or an activity. For example, what are you doing, or what time is it? When asked about time. Example, when is your birthday? The word when is used to ask about time. For instance, when do you go to school, or when did you arrive? Where asks about place. Example, where do you live? We use to ask about location or place. Example, where are you from, or where is the library? Why ask for a reason. Example, why are you late? Why is used when we want to know the reasons for something. For example, why do you study English, or why did he leave early? Which asks for a case between options. Example, Which color do you like, red or blue? We use which when there is a limited number of questions. For example, which one is yours, or which subject do you like best? How asks about the way or method. Example, how are you today? The word how is very flexible. It can be used to ask about the way something is done, or about condition and manner. For example, how do you go to school means by what method. How plus adjective. How old, age, how long, duration. How far, distance. How much or how many, quantity. How can be combined with other words to ask more specific questions. Example, how old are you, or how far is your house? Question structure. Question word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Example, what do you eat every day? The structure of a question usually begins with the question word followed by the auxiliary verb, the subject, and the main verb. Example, where do you study? Yes or no versus WH question. Yes or no question. Do you like coffee? WH question. What do you like? Yes or no question needs only a yes or no answer. But WH question needs more detailed answer using question words. Examples in conversation. What are you doing? I'm going to the library. Why? Because I want to study. Here is a short example of how question words appear in conversation. As you can see, they make communication clear and more meaningful. Common mistakes. Where are you doing? Where are you going? Many learners make mistakes with word order. Remember, in question, the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. Practice time. Fill in the blank. 1. Is your name? 2. Are you from? 3. Do you go to school? Let's practice together. Try to fill in the blank. What is your name? Where are you from? How do you go to school? Pronunciation tips. Pronounce clearly. Where, why, where, when, what. Pronunciation is also important. Make sure to pronounce the WH sound clearly when you speak. Importance of question words. Used in daily conversation. Essential for interview. Helps in understanding and communication. Question words are very useful in real life. We ask them every day in class, in interview, and in conversation. Summary. Who, person, what, thing, when, time, where, place, why, reason, which, case, how, method. To summarize, each question word has its own purpose. Mastering them helps us ask and answer questions correctly. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation about the question words. I hope it helps you understand how to use them correctly in English.